welcome to the annual Westminster Dog Show. I am Countess, Esquireshire, Julia Belladam, and here next to me is my co-host, Morton Throckstump, the third junior. Well said, Morton. Oh, I'm just giddy today. But do you know what? I think it might be time for us to meet our contestants. And here we have our lovely little lady, Florence Britman-Ishman, with her little adorable Mr. Kibble. Yes, excellent point, Morton. Florence Britman-Ishman is here for her third year in a row with one of her little inbred monstrosities that we all love, Mr. Kibble. Mr. Kibble is an English bulldog with a heart of gold and heart failure. He is 6 months old and is expected to live another 4 at the most. Good question, Morton. Yes, Mr. Kibble is projected to outlive his entire litter as he is the most in shape and fit of them all. Yes, I agree. Now let's move on. Next we have another veteran here, John James John, with his beautiful Fifi. Fifi is a 5-year-old French poodle with a propensity for mischief. John James John has informed us that Fifi's favourite activity is mauling small children when they get upset at Fifi. She holds the Guinness World Record for most children mauled in 1 year at 38, and she's looking to break the record this year. Go, Fifi! We believe in you. You rapskillion, you. Always the jokester. Anyways, next up we have our newcomer, Kelly Beantoast Balthazar, with her little buttons.
Good buttons.
Well, I never! What the hell is that? I know that's supposed to be a dog, but that is a fucking demon!
Oh, don't you two worry about him. He's just a tad hungry. Ain't that right, Bud? Let's see what we have here. God damn it, it seems I forgot my treat at home. 1 minute. Mind if I just... Give me the dog. Give me the dog.
Monsieur?
Oh, Buttons! Look what I have here.
Food!
No! Where are your manners, young sir? We've talked about this. Go perform for the judges. Now I'm thinking you do your little dancey dance you love so much.
The pure revulsion and fear that I feel right now. Gods! Gods! Gods!
Hello. I hope it's okay. I let Butt off the leash. He gets a little antsy when he can't walk around in an unfamiliar environment.
Oi! You let that bloody thing off its leash? The f*** is wrong with you? I'm f***ing done with this shit! Oh.
You know what? I don't even know where that little stink guy is. Oh, there he is.
I don't want to die. I don't want to die, please. Please.
Oh, don't worry. He's such a sweetheart. All he wants to do is get your scent so he knows you're friendly.
You've got bones under your skin.
Oh, Buttons, no, don't do that. That is not nice. She does not like that. Don't make me get the spray bottle. No, Buttons, that is not okay. Down, now, stop, or no treat.
Treat.
Yes, sweet pea. I love your mum.
No! I suppose since everyone else has